Hello, welcome to my tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Revit architecture and Blender to come up with this beautiful render. So first of all, I'm using Revit 2021. To import an AutoCAD file, you go to the Insert menu on the top menu, you go to Import CAD. Then you go to where I saved it on your desktop or wherever it is and select the 2D floor plan. It has been imported, so now let us start building it up. The first thing I like to do is to set my levels. So I go into the east elevation. I'm making my first level at 600 millimeters. Click on level 2, make it 600 millimeters. Then enter. Then now you press CS. The next one will be at 3000 millimeters. So now let's go to level 1. Go to low. Then you duplicate. Then you give it a name. Then you edit. Make the wall thickness 230 millimeters. Then OK. OK, now make the unconnected height 600. Now you just follow the outline of the walls. These will serve as the foundation walls. Make sure you get all the walls in there. I hope you are still with me. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do. Now going into 3D view, you can see all you have done so far. Now to create the entrance porch, you go to Architecture Floor. Then you follow the boundary for the porch both at the front and the back. To create the internal floors, we'll do the same thing, Architecture Floor. Then follow the outline. It is best to take each individually to get the best results. So as you can see, we didn't get them on the right level, so you just manually adjust it back to place using the arrow keys. Now go to level 2 to create the rest of the wall. Go to architecture, then wall. So now duplicate. Then change the height to 3000 millimeters. So you just trace out the entire outline of the wall, same as we did before. Go into 3D view, you can see what you have done so far. Well, we will end things here for now. Hope you join us in the second part of the video where we shall take things even further.